Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where the Valentine's Day photo op is in Heartopia. So you are just going to press the planet button. It says Flowers See Dream. Invite you to stroll through blooming flower fields, embark on a splendid dream, and compose romantic poems for one another amidst terraced hills and rosy clouds. Can go to it's just a place where you can take pictures, basically. So just like go check in if you want to see where it is, and you're just going to follow the trail. And I'll be right back once I've arrived. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And we've arrived, and this is what it looks like. You and I have nope. And we've arrived to the area. This is what it looks like. It is super cute. It's just an area to take pictures. There's nothing to do really. But yeah, it's super cute. Oh, you can interact with this. Don't tell me it turns. No, it doesn't. But it plays a music and there's flowers like falling. Super cute. I don't have anybody to take pictures with me because I don't have a Valentine, but that's okay. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!